What's up guys, and welcome to Awesome Ventures. Me and my family are going to be embarking on a boating trip across a river here in Pampanga using this kayak. It's gonna be lots of fun, so grab your gear and come along with us. So we're about to set out and paddle on this kayak as a family down this river. We're at our uncle's dock right now, and he has a fishing business around here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, so come along. Bye!
You felt the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
It's not deep.
It's not deep?
What? I felt mossy stuff. Like what? I don't know what that is. Not sure if I want to know, but get up.
I'm not letting it go.
It's not that deep. I thought it was like 30 feet deep.
It's not?
No, that is like 5 feet deep or something.
Careful, there's a boat.
Oh, fudge, it's a boat. Get up.
It's okay.
Wait! I'm in the middle. That was a viral situation. Daddy, help! Wait!
Wait.
No!
Ate,
Yes or no?
Yeshua will help you.
You're not helping!
Yeshua will help you.
Now I am. Lift yourself.
No!
Okay, what I need you to do, I need you to lunge yourself forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Go.
let Yeshua go up first.
No, wait, Daddy,
I want to go up.
No, so that you can pull her.
There.
There you go.
Get into there. You better go. You better go or I'll tickle your toes.
I'm in.
Okay, careful. Careful. What happened?
Go.
And
go.
Yeshua, go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
I need you to pull
There,
my leg.
no.
I'm a dead fish.
Yeshua can pull you. Okay, get up.
Kuya, or I let go.
Kuya!
Careful.
I can't swim my dog.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Come on,
There
get
you
it.
go. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh look, nasa nasa bahay ko ba sila? Why is the half of a bitch? Yeah, and the other half is over
Oh, there's another. Yeah, you're right. There's another one. Oh, what's that? That's a kitten.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh.
Running?
oh no.
Oh, save it. With the paddle. Okay, just put it there. You're welcome. We don't know why the kitten was there. Sadly, it's not unusual for people to throw unwanted kittens in the water. Stop animal cruelty. It's a horrible practice, not to mention it's against the law.
Doon ba laba sa ilog?
Ilog na po to.
Hindi, sa palabas ng ano?
Sa bagang?
Oo,
Sa bagang?
sa bagang. Diretso pa?
Diretso po, tapos pag na may nakita po kayo po
kakana na. Okay.
Sige, salamat.
Thank you.
The first bridge we came across was made of cement. The second one was made of steel. Up next is one made of bamboo. We like this one because it fits the surrounding. Which one do you like best? Feel free to comment below.
Hello. Hello.
Once we pass this bend, we will go through a floodgate to cross over to the other side of the river. We are about to go through a floodgate. A floodgate, also called stop gates, are adjustable gates used to control water flow in reservoirs. Alright, the little hole we're gonna go through to get to the canal is drawing nearer. Are you ready, Isabel? Isabel, are you ready?
Is it open? I think it's closed.
How would we close it?
Oh, they closed it.
So as you can see, we're supposed to cross over through this little gate here, but it's closed right now. Probably it's almost high tide. It's high tide. So my dad is just checking it out. We might be able to go up and over, carry our boat over this.
Pwedeng ibaba yung bangka doon sa kabila. Pwedeng ibaba yung bangka. Ibaba yung bangka doon sa kabila. Pwede na. Kabila. Okay. Close. Okay, alright.
How do we cross the river when the floodgate is closed? Should we give up and paddle back, or should we keep on going? So as you can see behind us, this is our kayak that we use for the whole paddling adventure through the rivers, or should I say the venture. And this is the Ituit kayak from Decathlon. We'll be doing a whole review of it in a separate video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I had a lot of fun in this adventure. As you might not know, I am Yeshua.
I'm Isabel.
And we're signing off at Awesome Ventures. Make sure to like that button, hit the bell icon to get notified, and subscribe because it helps our channel a whole lot, and I think it'll help you too to get notified.